Aquatic exercise and easy fitness in a swim spa. The swim spa is an easy solution to health and well-being without the hassle of gym memberships or community pools. Here's how families are using their swim spas for aquatic exercise and easy fitness from home. Continuous swimming in any space. Without a swimming pool at home, aquatic workouts are limited to community pools or costly gyms. The swim spa has a powerful current for lap swimming in a compact space. Never hit the wall and customize the pace for an easy or more advanced swim. Low-impact environment for joint safety. Water is a supportive environment, cushioning joints for easy, pain-free movement. With underwater treadmills, resistance bands, and more, it's easy to create a personalized cardiovascular routine in the swim spa for safe aquatic exercise. Hydrotherapy for health and wellness. Many models have powerful jets for a complete hydromassage. Pulsating water works out kinks, soothing away aches and pains. With a hot tub at one end and a powerful current at the other, a swim spa offers the best of both worlds in one complete machine. So go ahead, take a swim. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To encourage local residents to check out the benefits of owning a swim spa, Hot Spring Spas will be providing free swim spa tests for the entire month. And we do recommend, however, that people wanting to schedule their free 30-minute test call us ahead of time to reserve their spot. To learn more about the benefits of owning a swim spa, pick up a copy of our free swim spa buyer's guide. Just give us a call or visit our website at www.hotspringspassnm.com.